Welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we're talking about the world of flower bed design, where color, texture, and creativity come together to transform ordinary yards into vibrant and inviting outdoor spaces. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice looking to add a pop of color to your landscape, I have lot of ideas to inspire and guide you through the process of creating stunning flower beds that will elevate your yard and bring joy to your outdoor space. Let's start our journey with the importance of planning and preparation. A well-designed flower bed begins with careful planning and preparation. So take the time to assess your yard and identify key factors like sun exposure, soil type, and drainage patterns. Consider the overall style and aesthetic to your landscape, as well as your personal preferences and gardening goals. When selecting plants and designing your flower beds, sketch out the rough plan or layout to visualize your ideas and ensure a cohesive and balanced design that complements the architecture of your home and the surrounding environment. Now, let's talk about the color and contrast. Color is one of the most powerful design elements in flower bed design. So don't be afraid to play with bold and vibrant hues to create impact and drama in your landscape. Consider incorporating a mix of flowering plants with a different bloom times, heights, and textures to create layers of color and interest throughout the season. Choose a cohesive color palette or theme to tie the look together and consider contrasting colors like purple and yellow, red and green, or blue and orange for added visual impact and excitement. Moving on to the importance of texture and form. Texture and form are essential elements of flower bed design, adding depth, dimension, and visual interest to your landscape. Consider incorporating plants with varying leaf shapes, sizes, and textures to create contrast and drama in your flower beds. Mix and match plants with different growth habits from tall and spiky to low and mounting to create a dynamic and balanced composition that draws the eye and captures attention. Now, Let's explore the beauty of seasonal interest. A well-designed flower bed offers something to enjoy in every season, from vibrant blooms and lush foliage in the spring and summer to colorful foliage and berries in the fall and winter. Consider selecting plants with different bloom times and seasonal interest to ensure year-round color and excitement in your landscape. Choose early blooming bulbs like tulips and daffodils for a burst of color in the spring, followed by the summer flowering perennials like daylilies and cornflowers for long-lasting color and interest throughout the summer months. Add ornamental grasses, evergreen shrubs, and winter blooming plants like hellebores and witch hazel for texture and color in the fall and winter. Now, let's discuss the trend of incorporating pollinator-friendly plants. Pollinator-friendly plants are not only beautiful to look at, but also play a crucial role in supporting bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects in your garden. Moving on to the importance of maintenance and care. A well-designed flower bed requires regular maintenance and care to ensure healthy growth and long-lasting beauty. Be sure to water your flower beds regularly, especially during hot and dry periods, and mulch the soil to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming and remove dead or diseased foliage to prevent pests and diseases from spreading. Consider fertilizing your flower beds with a balanced fertilizer in the spring and fall to promote healthy growth and blooming, and prune plants as needed to maintain their shape and size. Now, let's talk about the importance of incorporating your personal style. Your flower beds should reflect your personality and taste. As we continue our journey through these flower bed design ideas, remember that the key is to prioritize creativity, planning, and personal expression. Whether you are drawn to color and contrast, texture and form, seasonal interest, edging and borders, pollinator-friendly plants, maintenance and care, or personal style, there's a flower bed design waiting to elevate your yard and bring beauty and joy to your outdoor space. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more design inspiration and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. And until next time, happy gardening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.